How to log into Emplive employee account. Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily log into Emplive employee account. First thing you do is simply open up your web browser and search for Emplive staff login or employee login. Click on the first link that you see. Now from here you're gonna have to find the login button. Tap on the three lines or the hamburger menu and find the login button here. If you're unable to find it here, you could just go back and click on the second link, workforce experience. So just go ahead and tap on it. If you are unable to find the login here, just enter this URL ess.emplive.cloud, emplivecloud.com. Hit enter and you'll be taken directly over to the login portal. So simply go ahead and enter your employee username and your password. Click on the sign in button and you should be able to log in without any problem. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful and I'll see you guys in the next one.